everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing with you guys 3 ingredient healthy desserts. You'll need 3 things for each of them. They're all healthy, delicious, easy to make, good for you, and I also made them keto friendly because you guys have been requesting some keto desserts, so we threw that in there as well. So let's go ahead and make some yummy desserts. So the first 3 ingredient dessert we are making are these Brownie Bites. So you're gonna need almond flour, raw cacao, and some nut butter. Any nut butter will do, almond butter, cashew butter, even a seed butter if you wanted, and then we're just going to mix that together until everything is nice and combined. And all of the recipes in this video are also gluten-free, grain-free, keto-friendly, and all of that. So just stir that all together until it's nice and combined. And then you are going to roll it out into ball shape. So I made mine the size of golf balls. And as a bonus ingredient, I am just sprinkling on a little bit of flaked salt on the top. And there you go. They're super quick to make. They're ready in 5 minutes, and you have these chocolatey rich, full of protein, healthy fats, and they are so good for you too. The next thing we are making is this berry bowl. So I'm using some coconut yogurt and putting that into a bowl along with some smashed raspberries. You can use any kind of berry here. All I did was smash up some raspberries and I combined them until they were nice and goopy. Goopy's a funny word. And then I'm adding in some sugar-free, dairy-free chocolate chips and stirring that together. And it's kind of like a froyo situation. We have the freshness from the berries, a little bit of chocolate, and it's a great 3 ingredient combo that is going to be good for you, full of protein, healthy fats, and it's kind of like ice cream if you pop it in the freezer for a couple minutes. And then we are going to make some 3 ingredient cookies. So I am using some almond butter, but also any nut or seed butter here will work. Because you guys have requested keto recipes, I'm using monk fruit in this recipe, but if you are not keto, you can use coconut sugar or date sugar, along with 1 egg. And then all you have to do is fold that together until you get a nice thick dough like this. Comes together really quickly. And then I am just using a cookie scoop to scoop out the cookies and flatten them down a bit so that we can bake them. And all the measurements for all the recipes and the baking time will be left in the description below. But honestly, this is such an easy, quick cookie to make. You can use any seed butter you have on hand. You can even use pumpkin seed butter or tahini. Just be aware that with the tahini, it will be a little less sweet, but you could even use tahini in these. And all you have to do is bake them. And then you have 6 wonderfully large, delicious, keto-friendly, low-carb, gluten-free, grain-free, delicious, soft bakery-style cookies. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed these recipes. When you make them, be sure to tag me on Instagram so that I can share all of them. They're all so delicious, but I think my favorite are the cookies. They're just like a good tried and true recipe. Don't forget to grab my free healthy dessert ebook, which is down in the description box below. Over 20 of my top healthy desserts, all in one ebook, all taste amazing, so you're gonna wanna grab that. I will also leave my last healthy dessert recipe here on the screen so you can check that out after this and make lots more healthy, delicious treats. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.